So I've got this cool screen protector for my laptop. It's gonna be like for privacy, so only you can see the things inside of in front of the laptop. And like if you look from the side, if somebody's trying to check your laptop from the side, they're not gonna see anything, just black, which is really cool. Now let's take it out and check it out. To take it out is like really easy. Just cut this. So these are the things that we get inside. We have a manual as well, some alcohol pads and some cloths to clean the laptop, and the actual screen protector. So let's take it out. There we go. So that's how it looks. And then if we take it out, gotta be careful because we have some foil here to take it out, and some foil on the other side, and we can stick it on top. Alright, so this is my laptop. We need to first use some of this alcohol prep pad, and then we'll clean this with a soft cloth, this one, and then we're going to use this to stick them on the privacy pad and then stick it all on the screen. Also, as you can see here, this is quite strong. It's quite bendable. So first let's clean the laptop. Got this alcohol prep pad. Yeah, make sure we get all the oils out and everything. Now we clean it with a cloth. Now we can just peel the sides off. So if we want to use this side, then we can peel the back here. There we go. And then we can stick four of this in like each corner. So there's one. I'm gonna stick it in the corner here, just like that. And make sure you press it for a bit so it doesn't leave any bubbles. Then another one. Let's do the other corner. Right here. And do the same thing, press it so it doesn't leave any bubbles. As you can see on the foil on the other side of this foil, we don't want these bubbles. Now let's add the other two. On here, same, press it so we don't have bubbles. And the last one. There we go, press it, no bubbles. Alright, so now we can take this off, making sure that we have the sticky thing left right there. So there we go, you can see the sticky thing left there, and on the other ones. And now we can just stick it right here slowly so we can match it. There we go. As you can see, press it a bit just like that, then we go down, stick it here as well, and now we can take this cover off as well, and there we go. That's how it looks. There we go. Now it's finished. You can't even see that you have something on top, which is really cool. It will protect your screen. Actually, for the screen privacy to be better for you, you need to turn the brightness of the laptop display to about 50%, something around there. It was already about 50%. So if we turn it on the side, you can't see anything. And then the same on the other side. Nothing to be seen here. You can only see from the front, which is really good for your privacy. So there we go. Looks all good, no problems. Can't see anything from this side. Can't see anything from this side. Really cool. So there we go. You can see everything here and nothing here. Everything and then nothing again. It's really cool. Let's try this again as well. So there we go. So from the side, nothing. From the front, everything. Also, another cool thing about this screen protector is that when you close your screen, nothing, doesn't affect anything. Everything is okay. It's not gonna press on your screen. It's just there. And then when you open, you've got the protection on the screen and the privacy as well. So there you go.